Okay, in this video, just going to have a look at these two examples on for the truncus. So as I said in the previous video, it's a good thing to start with the asymptotes. Okay, so what's our x asymptote? Well, it's going to be x equals minus 1. Okay, we've been moved it across. And for our y, we've moved it up 2, so it's going to be y equals 2. So already, we've got our set of axes. Put in your asymptotes, so x equals minus 1, y equals positive 2, so we moved it up 2. Okay, now we haven't dilated it, we haven't reflected it, so let's just draw in what it looks like. Okay, and it's got that shape. Now it's really important when you go down this side that we get close to the asymptote, we don't actually touch it. And it's important that we don't kind of flick it away so it indicates that it's going away. We want to get it close and closer to the asymptote without actually touching it, and same for these ones up here. It's just a bit of technicality with those. But anyway, that's what this one looks like, and we can see we've got one y-intercept. So what happens there? 1 over, okay, x is 0, so 1 squared is 1, so it's going to be 3. Okay, and that's pretty much it for that example. Really not much to it other than finding the asymptotes. Okay, let's have a look at this example. Similar thing, they've kind of tricked us a little bit and by moving it around. So let's just rearrange that as this. Okay, remember that that minus is associated to that 4. Okay, and we've got a positive 1. So similar thing, what happens at our asymptotes? So what are our asymptotes? X equals minus 2 and y equals positive 1. Okay, we've moved across 2 and up 1. And we've also got a reflection this time. So don't want to forget that. We've also got a dilation. So there's a fair bit happening. And okay, let's just draw our set of axes in first. And where's our asymptotes? So minus 2 and positive 1. Now we've got a reflection, so it's going to go down here somewhere. Just got to work out whether we actually have x-intercepts or not. So x-intercepts, we say y equals 0. So 0 equals minus 4 over x plus 2 squared plus 1. Okay, I can say 4 over x plus 2 squared equals 1. Now if I multiply both sides, we get this. Square rooting both sides, we get plus or minus 2, x plus 2, so there we can say x equals a negative 4 or x equals 0. Okay, so there's one there and one down here. So then we just put in the points and sketch the graph. And remember we're going down this way because we've reflected it. Now those x-intercepts have just shown us how we've dilated it, okay? So it's quite steeper. So if I was to draw the ordinary graph without dilating it, it would go very close to in there somewhere. Okay, but that because we've got our x-intercepts out here, we've already dilated it. That's how it's shown. Okay, so that's those two examples. Again, the hardest part really is finding those asymptotes. Putting those in, find your x-intercepts, find your y-intercepts, put a couple of points if you need to, and then just it's got the same shape. Okay, I'll leave this video there, and we'll go through some questions in the next video.